Hello kids, let's draw with me. Today I'm going to draw Peppa Pig and her brother George. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First I'm going to draw Peppa's face. Follow the instructions. Great! Peppa's face is ready. Now I'm going to draw Peppa's body. It's time to draw her shoes. And I'm going to draw mud pit. Great! Now it's time to draw George. First I'm going to draw George's face. Great kids! Draw with me. George and Peppa are playing in mud pits. Wow! Great! Now, I'm going to enhance our picture and add some detailings. Here I'm going to draw some trees and clouds. Great job! Our picture is ready. It's coloring time, kids. Wow, we have so many colors. Let's color our picture. Light pink color for Peppa's face. I am doing the same color in George's face as well. Dark pink color. Sea green color. Red color. Great! Blue color for Peppa and George's shoes. Brown color for mud pits. Great job, kids! Now it's time to color our trees. Sky blue color for our clouds. Light green color for grass. Great! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.